So, hey guys, welcome back. This is part of a series that has to go with your marketing strategy plan. Okay, so if you're filling out the workbook on here's my marketing plan, okay, the first step that we give you is you have to know how you're going to make money. Okay, there's no need to have all this social media and all of this stuff if you don't know how you're going to earn money. Okay, so today we're going to talk about affiliate marketing. Okay, and I'm going to list some of the best ones that are out there that tons of bloggers use. Some of them you may not have even thought about. Okay, but let's kind of go through some of these. Okay, so let's start with the biggest one that most, if you're in a business, you should be using, and that is Amazon. Okay, that is also the biggest one that Google recognizes when you're doing a blog post. Okay, so here's what you need to know about Amazon. Amazon has some rules. Okay, so you need to know what those rules are. Okay, now I'm not going to list all of that here because, quite frankly, by the time you watch this, the rules might have changed. Okay, so but make sure you know the rules, know how many sales you need to qualify. Okay, know the disclosures that you need to have. Okay, because those really have not changed a whole lot in that. Okay, always know with affiliates, like, when do I get paid? Okay, always a good thing to know. Okay, so when will you get paid? But know the rules with Amazon. Okay, because they definitely have some rules, and I don't. If you break them, like, they don't tell you what you broke. They just are like, slap you on the hands and take away your Amazon affiliate account. Okay, so but Amazon is a great way to do that. I also believe if you're doing Amazon, you should be doing Walmart. Okay. Walmart has been offering a lot of free shipping. A lot of businesses are part of their system. And so you can also do like the Amazon grocery. So if you're doing like cooking or things like that, like just tell them, like, add it to your order, and pick it up at your local Walmart. You guys, really, any big box place probably has an affiliate. You may just have to look, and you may just have to go into some of the blogging groups and ask, like, does anybody know if this company has an affiliate? I promise you, somebody will know. Okay. A couple other ones worth mentioning. I've got my notes here. CJ Affiliate. Okay, so that's a really great one. They have a variety of different clients. You guys, like, a really great one, like, especially if you do travel and things like that, is like hotels.com or priceline.com. Like, there's so many of those like that, that even if like, let's say you're doing um like Disney, or you are, just talking about different things where people would go and travel. Okay. Definitely use like the hotels.com. Like, and again, know the rules. Okay. Like, this is not a place where I'm going to come in and be like, here's all the rules, because they really do change. Okay. And the great thing is, like, they'll send you emails with those updates. Share a sell is another good one. Okay. And you guys, all of this is in your workbook. Okay. So you can just, I want you to be like, okay, here's where, we talked about passive income earlier, and affiliate marketing is part of that passive income. You're making money whether you're asleep or you're awake, whether you're on vacation or whether you're taking the kids to school. Okay. So make sure that you check these out. AWIN is another good one. There are a ton of essential oil companies out there that have really great affiliates. Okay, there are even some companies that have for the accessories for essential oils. So if any part of that is part of your business, definitely look at that. Okay, again, know the rules. I found this really great website, and I'm just going to share it. I put it in the group or in your workbook, but I just wanted to show it to you too. So here's a great blog article on the 20 best for fashion. And so I like that they like actually like gave you the positives of it and how much you can make. Okay, so like here, the commission is 50% of that sale. The cookie period, meaning how long is your affiliate number attached to a person who clicks that link? Okay, and that's 30 days. So that's really good. Okay, so you've got reward style. Okay, you got 5 to 15%. Cookies are 30 days. Zaffle. And again, you guys, I would go into some of the blogging groups and ask if anybody's a part of those. Like, is it hard to get in? Is it, is there any suggestions? Okay. Even some of the companies, like if you're constantly shopping like Eddie Bauer, okay, like they have an affiliate program. Okay. And let's see. And it'll tell you, like, there's another link. Okay. So, Shop Style Collective. So there's a really good one. Lane Bryant. Okay, so 4%. And you may be like, Connie, that's only 4%. Okay. But if somebody's spending $100 at Lane Bryant, okay, all of that just adds up. Okay. What else do we have? ModCloth, Nordstrom. You guys, if you have a super cute outfit, like put it on social media. But affiliate marketing needs to be part of your strategy. Urban Outfitters. You guys, these are big name companies, Old Navy, okay? Like big name companies. And no, they're not giving you a ton on these, but 4% is pretty normal. Amazon for most of their stuff is 4%. Okay, it's just all that little stuff adds up. Okay, so I mean, you can see here, like there are a ton of different ones. Okay, so I've put the link in here. Like, look how cute that stuff is. I put links so that you can, and they even kind of go in here. You can even do eBay. Okay, eBay, you guys. So you can kind of look through this. I love that she really has like kind of broken all of these down. So um, just get the details. Okay, know the rules, know what you can and can't do. Okay, but when you're sitting there and you're doing that first section and you're saying, okay, these are the products or services that I'm going to sell. Okay, I want affiliate marketing to be part of that. Okay, you don't have to sign up for every one of them. I'm going to give you, and I know somebody's going to say, Connie, that doesn't like, I had somebody that I did a strategy call with, and we did their strategy plan, and they were a real estate agent. And this person was like, I sell houses. Yes, but people who own houses need stuff. So, yeah, you sell him a house one time, but he ended up making a ton of money monthly by showcasing different products for like living room and kitchen and all these different things, and was able to bring in sometimes more on affiliate marketing than selling houses. And here's the good thing about that too. Um, because he was constantly in front of him. Okay. So like real estate agents, like you buy a house, you're done, right? Like you're not gonna buy another house for 10 to 20 years usually. The great thing was he was constantly in front of them. And so when somebody asked for a recommendation as far as, who would you recommend for a real estate agent? 5 years, 8 years down the road, they were still recommending him. Okay, because he was in their email, because he was constantly just serving them. Okay, so what is it that your business could do? Even if you're a brick and mortar, okay, so let's say like you're a coffee shop or something like that. Like, what affiliate could you provide? Okay. I want you to really think about that. Okay. And if you find a company that like you love what they do, you love their products, you love the services that they're providing, send them an email. Maybe they haven't thought about having an affiliate. Okay. It doesn't hurt to ask. Okay. So go ask them and then negotiate if you need to. Okay. But go ask. A lot of times they just don't know that they could do that. Okay. So simply go ask. Every business needs new customers. Okay, every business needs new customers. So I want you in the comments. I want you to tell me either one, what affiliates are you already with? Okay, because when you share, then other people can get some ideas. Okay, or two, what are some of these affiliates that you're thinking about looking at? Okay, um, like what products would you want to promote? Okay, I know that even like Lowe's and Home Depot and all of them, like they all have affiliates. So if you're doing, house stuff, like it's such a great place to get all of that. Okay. So I want you to think about that. I want you to put that in the comments and then put it in your workbook. Okay. If you've not downloaded the workbook, it's in the description. Okay. It gives you a very clear, cohesive marketing plan. Okay. We take you step by step. First step that we're working on is what type of income do we need? Okay, so let us know in the comments. Okay, make sure you subscribe too, just so that you know when there's new videos that come out. Okay, okay, guys, have a great day.